So let me remove the ball again, and I want to move the wall. I remove what it was. Now I told you the other time that we'll go for the beam. Select the beam 225 by 225. Sorry, that's the center. And by let's use 450 deep, and then we draw the beam. We run it through. We run the beam through. We run the beam through. Then we run it through. We run the beam through. We run the beam through. So after doing that, we come to slab. We define our slab. What's the thickness of our slab? Let's say 150 mm. 150 mm thick. Our cover, let me use 25 for my cover. And then do we have any other loads that we need? Self weight, let me just add one kilonewton to this. Then let me use 2.5 for my post load residential apartment. Then once that one is done, we come and be clicking on the slab. This is the first one we click on it, second one we click on it, third one we click on it, fourth one we click on it, and that is so. So the next place that I wanted to talk about is the sectioning. Let's look at the last strip. Okay, the slab strip. Now when we say analytical, that is, it starts from one end, but when it runs through from maybe from outside, we use bob. This is the bob. So let me just use this on this. Press your control so that it will be straight. You run it through. Press your control from outside to outside. Do the same thing for up to down. Do the same thing from up to down, and then you have all your detailing that you needed for this. So I think that one is done. So the final stage is sectioning, which I told you about. Now let's say I want to section from here to this place. So all you need to do is, once you click on the section line, you just click on from here to here. Press the shift down so that the control down so that it will be straight. After drawing it, then you come and click outside where you want the section to be. Boom, that's all. However, I wanted to show the reinforcement bar. So you just come and click this place and so it shows steel bars, and then you say update. That's it, you can see it. So let's say I want to section this side. I just come see on the sectioning. I click, I drag down. Now I press my control so that it will be straight. Once I'm where I want to, I remove my hand. Then I come and click where I want it to be. Boom. That's all. That's the detailing. So see you guys next in my part 4 if you want it, and have a lovely day. Bye bye. Peace, and don't play.